daughter, and the son. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Give them a big round of applause. Make some noise.
Check. Check.
1, 3, 1.
Yeah, another one. Level. Good night. Snugger, a long time. From another 90s. Let me show you how I teach my youth them, cause I'm a kids them. Big up the officer them for allow me to do this tonight. Number 1, give me one drop. Take the bubble gum out of your mouth. You know that song there already. Give me the bubble gum. You ready? Alright. First of all, why you make everybody know say you go to school? Everybody. One drop. Ready? Alright. Work!
Go to school, girl, to learn the golden rule, girl.
Please.
Now make nobody take you for fool, girl. Now go school, figure work, fool, girl. Every schoolers, get your books and rulers.
No!
In your backpack with your pencil, bring all your school utensils. Hey, young girl, taking your education. I keep the trish with a new dedication. When school over, go on to your yard. Make sure your homework to a penetration. The television and now meditation. Some social study, divide creation. Subtract, addition, multiplication. So listen to the situation. Go to school, girl.
Level up. Remember, it's just a workout. See? Give me the second verse for that now. Second verse. Work it.
Hey, young boy, over this all who know me a
Talk.
Me a just live here, roll and my smart. Daddy never tell me a school girl.
Lock.
Daddy never tell his friend know your life bleach up. And I talk about your art like ice is hard. If you have education, your life is hard. Daddy girl, you like it.
Talk, girl, talk. School girl. Level up. Hear what now? Me and you got tease the people right now. Because me not like raper. Nobody else not like raper. One drop. Ready? Start it.
Stop look.
When the little girl sit down and open up her foot, boy.
Stop look.
If you a pervert, we break your 2 foot, boy.
Stop look.
Man, tell the little girl to close up her foot, man.
Stop look.
But that's why you DJ and make them hear everything. No.
Pervert, we are on them.
When mothers with daughter and son, them.
What things and let the touch up on them.
Tell them no come right there, so can we run them? Why?
Leave the little girl, don't say I'm married.
From you attractive to girl, we go primary.
Slowly, them die very.
Hold up. Beg another one. Any rhythm. Just for any rhythm. Any rhythm. No specialize. Any rhythm. Ready? Alright, you know what I already got? May I teach you how to ride a rhythm? Level. Me remember when they snugger push out the arrows. I'm going to say snugger push. You see them ready, man? Well, me see the wicked them a come. Now me not go run. Everybody know me a father God. So them have them gun. Them have to cut me down. And now for the cut scatter when the fire start gun. Me see the wicked them a come. Now me not go run. Everybody know me a father God. So them have them gun. Them have to cut me down. And now for the cut. Watch out! Some of them are heathen and backbiter. Holy hypocrite when no one will prosper. Spike up my face but I wish them danger. My father's like about to turn this side. Big one see me in the message, me sense I didn't rise up, cha-cha children. Try fight me down, iniquity them a walk. Bunch of him and me cancer like a rock, me stand up. I wish them good luck and them can't par with us. One take on me like butter, them bite the dust. When me see the wicked them a come, know me not go run. Everybody know me a father and son. I'm a little son this. They're showing them how I'm wicked. You know what you do for me? Eh? Tell them about your mother and father. You ready?
Exactly, and no one else. I mean, and no one is black sheep. And no one is Bubba mommy and daddy, and no one else. Literally, I start, I go reach far. Money in my pocket can buy all the bars. That nice brown girl and me and her apart. But take her number, mind me give her. She call me and my collar, pick me and finger. That's why I'm a dinger, linger, linger. Link up, move and finger. I mean, little D. Exactly, and no one else. I mean, and no one is black sheep.
Alright. Like how you find the brown girl now and you meet the brown girl. See it? And you take her to the bar and you buy her something to drink. You can't tell me I'm cool. I wish one of that brown girl eh? The one where you find. You can't tell me about her. What's she name? Tell me what she name.
Give me she, and I pay me a top. I share no more free. Give me she. Family to be the grow me a top about she. Give me she. My tell her my like her and say she like me. Give me she. Girl put on a clothes and go to movie. Then sell my girls and now get me the fire about that you that.
Can't legit.
Me name,
Legalist.
yeah, girl come to school and sit down and off you get. That me from me someone cool. All the bodies them a look girl. And I move so I get scared of my bikes and get funny.
Give me she. Level up. Stand up over there, son. Who want the 2 hour work? Who want the 2 hour work, you know? You ready? Who start this up? Are you? Start this up. One drop.
Some boy a move ice, bleach and I'm from the light. Little day about parasite. Them a blessing on the day and a texting from people at night. From me here you are what I will see. I friends like sissy. Come on, go and let them go see and them will see. And me make you go the wrong way you like me. Same right. It come like them make them pissy. But who not afraid of nobody at all? Who not afraid of nobody? Go lay you must fall. Shut up the place, everybody a ball. One light a fire and the bring it scar. Parasite.
Wait. Early on. Me sing stop look. You can't tell me something else. Who start that one I know? Who start that one I know? Are you? Start.
You must get catch. You feel like the little girl on that house back. You must get catch. Leave the little girl when she catch up the back. You must get catch when her father break her face, say too old that hard. And girl I just 7 and you cross her border. Believe you to Charlie and Chibada. I make a jesting. No man, nothing child molesting. Music and school work that me invested in. For know a father God blessing. You must get catch. You feel like the little girl on the house back.
Why you do something?
Them a do jump on me gates and a peep. 6 minutes to say them bad mind me deep. Big up cleaning, but not the sheep. Show me know me strong and feed them out a leave. But tell me yeah, hypocrite me a sweep. Fly me gate, then me drive me my jeep. Me now months and I tell me you a weep. My clothes are brand, me no wear nothing cheap. Me born hypocrites. Me born parasite. Me born pagan. That's why your body spray them with.
Them love me like a target. When we sit on the scene and we come me party. We a drink champagne ready, we laughing. See the how much it ready, we parking. No go in the gun, boy, you ready, we clock it. Cause I spit the device, me start it. Yo, smile. You don't know that the wicked and I listen the Lord. I am a disciplined child. We full of passion and love, we full of style. Can't see me the light, you see the kind. You don't know that the wicked and I listen the Lord. When I get no more.
Alright, that was one of my artists from the Bad Bunny family. Apple, female, apple, short and spicy, clean like a whistle. We are clean. Watch it so. Son, daughter, sister. It's a family tradition. Some people call me Mr. Bad Bull 2.0. I deal with it.
Okay, and you're Dickie Rankin, otherwise called Snaggapus from Arrows Days. You're talking about?
Well, that's the name the way you call the first name that I don't know him as that, but I know him as Snaggapus.
Well, me tell you from way forward.
Yeah.
Dickie Ranks, original. So, how many people actually in your crew?
Well, actually, right now, I have 10, but you get like 7
shit.
years.
And you are in charge of all 10?
Yeah.
And you're coming from Montego Bay now, you're doing a show there or what?
Yeah, we're doing a show from Montego Bay coming straight back and we got Bull Bay right now.
Your promotion or?
No, people promotion. This is only my promotion, the 13th of December.
Okay, what was the deal? Run it down my career now. You're telling people what going about the thing now.
Well, it's a beach party I'm putting on just to promote my set of artists and stuff.
Yeah. Where is it? Where is it going to be?
Brooks Penn Beach.
Brooks what?
Brooks Penn Beach.
Brooks Penn Beach. Where is that?
Yeah, 8 Mile. Bull Bay.
Okay. I want to give a man a nice show now because I love where the virgin and the positivity, the lyrics that you have for the benefit of Jamaica in the future.
Yes.
Good luck.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Give man a round of applause. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I should let you know once again that you'll be live on YouTube right here forever.